Welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming back to our channel. It's Forex Hub here, guys, and today I'm going to explain about this new deposit bonus. This have just started Monday, and it's a new deposit bonus. So markets, guys, and I'm probably going to explain everything because there are some misconceptions about it, guys, and I'm going to show you how to register on this broker. And first, let me read for you everything here. It is right then. It's Soho Markets 30 Forex no deposit bonus. It's a no deposit bonus promotion, and we call it welcome bonus sometimes, guys. It's organized by the Soho Markets, and these are just the company's information, guys, on the first paragraph here. And it's a registered company or registered broker, guys, and it's really available. And I've just verified it, and it offer various trading accounts. And guys, this is just few information about the company. And also there are two types of accounts, namely the standard STP and also the ECN. And now I'm going to show you which one you should open in order to gain this no deposit bonus, which is a 30 USD no deposit bonus, guys. And you have to open the MetaTrader 4, and let's just check it out from down here, guys. Okay, so markets 30 Forex no deposit bonus information is here. Also the amount is 30 USD, and bonus type is a no deposit bonus or welcome bonus, meaning you don't have to deposit anything. You're just gonna receive this bonus as long as you follow the steps that I'm going to show you, guys. The promotion availability is limited, and the bonus expires after 60 days. Since the bonus is created, it expires after 60 days, guys. If you didn't trade it or you didn't make profit within 60 days, then it's gonna automatically expire, and it's only available for new clients, guys. And also what you have to mark here is live account bonus. Okay, if you are going to get this bonus, you have to create an account, a live account bonus. Okay, MT4 server, and the leverage is 1 to 500. You have to verify your account first, and how to get the bonus is well said here. So you have to register on a Soho market, verify your email, phone number when registering, and also know your client verification by uploading a proof of identity and also a POI, proof of address. And then to claim your bonus after successfully verified, you get a trading account automatically. Okay, you get a trading account automatically, guys. And contact customers via live chat. There's a live chat on their website. I'm going to show you that. And claim no deposit bonus by stating your trading account number, by just sending them your trading account number that you're going to register now. If approved, the bonus will be created to your trading account immediately, as it shows like this on a screenshot, guys. Okay, it's exactly like this on a screenshot, and the withdrawal terms and conditions are as listed below. The bonus cannot be withdrawn. Only the profit can be withdrawn, a minimum of 50 and a maximum of 200 US dollar after successfully completing a total trading volume of 6 standard lots within 60 days, which is quite really a good term here, guys. 6 standard lots in 60 days is a really nice thing. You can trade this within 4 days. If you trade the smallest lot size, you can trade this within a month, guys. And it's really easy to get this amount of profit. Okay, and deposit and withdrawal methods, they use bank wire transfer, local bank transfer, and all the Mastercard, Skrill, Netlab, PayPal, cryptocurrency, USDT. They use all those type of methods for withdrawals and deposits. Okay, the terms and conditions: only Forex and metal instruments are eligible for lots, and understand that, meaning only gold and Forex space are gonna be used, not trading Nasdaqs. The use of robots is not allowed at all. Using hedging strategy is not allowed at all. clients are not allowed to withdraw profit from the bonus, are only allowed to withdraw profit from the bonus account once. Meaning, if you made a profit of 200 and you withdraw 100, and they're just going to cancel everything. You receive your 100, but they are going to cancel everything. It's better for you to withdraw once when you make enough profit. If you want to withdraw the 200, all of it, then withdraw once, then for all. Okay, because bonus will be cancelled after making a withdrawal. Promotion may change at any time or be stopped at any time without prior notice, guys. More detail on terms and conditions can be found here. Don't wait for worry about that one, guys. Okay, so just the regulations and license of the company is listed below, and we also contacted them here via this number here, and then guys, you can talk to them just through there. Okay, guys. Here are just special warnings, and from then I'm just going straight to the website, guys. On the page you can search like Soho Market there, and guys, just come straight on the registration page here. If you have already an account, you can log in, but I'm sure you don't have an account. I'm just gonna fill in the information first. Guys, and just show you something that's a bit tricky here. Okay, now they're asking for my number code. I'm just gonna put my number here, my code, the code of my country, which is 264, and I'm just gonna choose here straight, and I'll put my number here, guys, and after I put no number, you're gonna send a verification code here, and I'm not sure it's going on like this verification code. Okay, they're just gonna send me a text on my number, guys, and then I'm going to, yes, the text have just arrived, and I'm going to insert okay, I'm going to put it here. Then again, I'm gonna put my email, and also I need the verification code. I'm just going to click there. Then they said they send me an email, so I'm just gonna check on my inbox here if I'm going to see something like that, guys. Okay, and sorry, probably let me just check it out fast if I'm gonna receive something, guys. And okay, there is one. Okay, there, your email has been verified. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy their code, and it's loading a bit. I'm just gonna copy their code here, the code they send me, and go back there, and just paste the code here. I'm just gonna paste the code here, guys, just like that, and I'm going to create my password, guys. And after creating my password, guys, I citizen or residents of United States, no. I a politically exposed person, no. And also I'm just going to add the terms and conditions, and also from there I'm going to go on the next step if they can allow me to do so. There are a few things I didn't put here: the tax country, guys, and also the tax number. Because I don't know the tax number, so meaning I'm gonna insert a lot of nonsense here, guys. Not the post bonus, guys. Here watching another post bonus here, so home market. Make sure that you subscribe, and also make sure that you like this video, the appreciation for our content, guys. So gonna be a motivation for me to keep making more videos. And I'm just gonna put something like this. That's a nonsense tax identification number, guys. It doesn't work. And I'm going to click next step, guys. You can see they have successfully just allowed me to check in, and as you can see, I'm on the next page where they're gonna ask me a few questions right here, guys. According to relevant laws and questions, please answer each question honest as possible. Okay, level of education, guys, they ask you all these things. Going to be 100, guys, and let's just go further. So you can see it's a risk warning, guys. They have displayed this, and I'm just going to click OK. After you're done with everything, guys, then you just message them, then they're gonna give you the information that you want, and just create your account there, guys. Then you're gonna receive your 30 USD no deposit bonus. Thank you guys for watching one of my video again. I'll see you on the next episode.